In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create JSON objects. Our software has a lot of JSON-related functions, and when working with complex JSON objects, it can be very time-consuming to create the object. Let me show you the problem. For example, we want to create JSON objects which look like this. So we have a pair, and we can 1, 2, 3, 4. We have about 7 pairs, and what we want to do, we want to combine them into JSON object. So what we do with each row, then we add encoded JSON pair. Like this. So it is encoded. And we repeat it for all of the fields, which can be very time consuming. And then what we do, we combine them together using encode JSON object, like this. And if you work with very complex JSON, that might take very, very long time. There is another better alternative, is to use in-place replace function. You just click cancel, and I will show you what I mean. So what we do here, we use template, is our template, and we replace this text with actual value. So we have this mapping. We need to encode JSON string just in case, because we might have some special characters like end of line within the string, so we need to encode it. And after that, we just save it into the file. So as you can see, this is much easier and more flexible alternative to using JSON objects. In our case, we use file system writer, and this allows us to generate multiple JSON files. Here they are. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.